Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Outsource Yourself. In this video we're going to talk about hiring documents and why are they important. So first of all, why do we even need them? Like, is this some kind of bureaucracy and we need to start filling documents all day long? Well, the answer is simple, that we don't want to actually give you more stuff to do, like more work. We don't want to generate. But I think this one is crucial because it hires the professionalism and makes things official. So for example, your employees are reading that document, they see what is expected from them. One of the things I always write there is that they have 30 days to let me know before they quit. I want them to see that they shouldn't just escape from me. Now, I'm not sure if it's legally applied to any country, but it is between us and the employees, and it transforms professionalism. Now let's talk about the documents, okay? First of all, you've got yourself the development agreement. You want to make sure that what they create is yours, so they cannot go and use it in another company. You have also in the development agreement confidentiality and non-compete, again, so they won't just run away and work for a competing company. And terms of termination, as I said, I want them to give us 30 days notice if they're ever gonna quit. Now let's take a look at the development agreement document. So basically this is the document. You can start filling the blanks, like company name. You can just search and replace it all over the document. Usually every editor will have this search and replace. So you find and replace, and you replace company name with the name of your company. So it will do it automatically. Now the next part, the street and address of the company, you look full name of the employee that you're hiring, and then you can write his address. So you need to actually ask him or her, what is your address? All of the terms are in this agreement, so you can say, okay, I make him through a wired bank transfer, or maybe it's PayPal. And then ownership, you own all of the content that they create for your company. And of course, confidentiality, so it's all confidence, and they don't start giving to competitive companies all of your information. And everything is in here, like everything you need them to sign on. That's why I said that you just go and search and replace your company name. And in the end, of course, you sign company name, the employer name. You can write your name here and the date. Contractor, you can write the name of your employee, and he needs to sign this. So actually you send him the file empty, and he needs to give it back to you writing his name. Usually writing his name here and his initials here. And then this is where you write the date. As you can see, I took the file and I've been doing this for years. So now it's 2015. And as you can see, the document is from 2011. I didn't change it. So that was the development agreement. Now the next one is the hiring agreement. This is the how many hours he's going to work, how many sick leave does he have in a year or a month, and the salary. So let's have a look at this document and how you fill in the blanks. Alright, so this one is pretty simple. You just put the company name again in search and replace, and you replace it. You put the address of the employee, his name and email. You state the job and the amount he's gonna get. You state the time he's gonna be spending with you, a week, 40 hours a week for example. The schedule that he's gonna work in. And of course, if you want to give him a bonus, you can put this one. You can drop this one if you don't want. You just simply fill in the blanks. Now all of these documents are going to be under the video, so check out and you will find them down below this video. And the next one is optional. It's the general terms and conditions. It states the holidays, the payment time, etc. So let's have a look at what this document is, and you don't really have to give it to them. So you can see there is no requirement to make 13-month pay, and you put sort of requirements here, and when they will not work, which kind of holidays they will have, and what is your preferred payment mode, which mine is PayPal. And that's it. This one is optional. You don't really have to give it to them, but the other ones I recommend to give them, and then they will sign it and hand you back. I know, as I said before, I don't like bureaucracy, but you just put these files in one of your folders and forget about them, just so that the employee will read them and see that he have like to give you the 30 days notice and everything. You want to have this kind of official legal document between you guys, but I'm not sure how it stands in legal, right? So for example, if you will go for your competitor and then you will try to sue him, I'm not sure if it will stand in court, but still I'm sure that the employee will take you more seriously. And this is the first thing I do with every employee. I first have them sign this one, and only then I tell them, okay, now you can start working for me. That makes them really see how this is a professional company and not just like a gig of like one-on-one and us doing something unofficial. It looks really serious when you give them those hiring documents. So I hope you understand how to get your employee to start working for you. I hope this video was beneficial and you can get all of the documents below this video. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.